Hello, my name is Carly, and today I'll be teaching you how to create client selections within Construction Online. Construction Online's Client Selections feature lets you quickly create option sets and provide your clients with a simple web interface to make their desired selections. To begin creating client selections, you'll first want to navigate to your project in the Projects list and then select the Financials Feature tab. Client Selections is housed within its own module in the Financials Feature tab. Client selections have a three-level structure consisting of selection categories, selections, and selection choices. You'll first want to start by creating your categories. Categories can support an unlimited number of selections. You can add a selection category by selecting the Add New Category button. Within the selection category, you'll then want to add a selection. For example, in my selection category flooring, I'll want to create a selection for the kitchen floor. To do so, I'll select Add Selection for Flooring. Here I can put the name, location, due date, allowance, milestone, cost code, trade, and any notes for the kitchen floor selection. I can also choose the selection choice visibility for my client link users. To add choices for the kitchen floor, I can select Add Selection Choice for Kitchen Floor. You can choose to enter selection details manually, or you can choose to use the Quick Pick browser extension tool. For this example, I'm going to create a choice manually. The first page allows you to put in a choice name, choose vendors, include a web page link for the item, add a model number, UPC, or SKU, and add a description. The Internal Notes tab allows you to make internal notes for your team's eyes only. The Markup and Price tab allows you to set the cost of that choice. If the selection has been shared with the client link user, the client will only see the client price. You can add attachments for the selection choice and choose an item image from those attachments. Once done, hit Create. I hope this helps as you begin to build out your client selections. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or reach out to a product specialist. Have a great day.